Shalom, this is Yehudit Goldfarb from Tzfat, normally still in Berkeley. We actually are leaving for Denver tomorrow. I'm not sure when I'll do the podcast tomorrow. I want to share with you the movements for the 17th day of the 40 days of challenge and centering. This is combining the nun with a nikudah for Netzach, for the place of perseverance and directed energies, a sense of the eternal pattern, and asking the question of where am I in that mosaic of all these different individual people that I have come with a purpose, and what is it, and how can I make that direction part of my life. So that's the Netzach energies, the Chirik, which is very much a focus, a single dot. So let's review the nun first. I'm going to step back a little so you can see my feet. So half a step forward, bringing the hands up by the forehead, and then it's like spreading wings, going forward and then back. And half a step forward. You wait till your hands are up by the forehead, and then there's this slight going onto the front foot, your weight, and then backing up to the back foot. And a sense of the invisible line between the tip of your fingers and your toes. Very gentle movement, quiet movement. That's the nun. And then there's the Chirik, which you step to the side and have your feet parallel, knees slightly bent, hanging from a string. And this is a single dot, and it's a E, and you're bringing it down. It's a single dot under the letter E. And your hands spread out as you bend slightly forward with a straight back. E. E. That's Netzach. And then we do a combination from the crown to the feet. And I'm wearing still trying to go by the Cordovero system, Rabbi Cordovero, with pink, a different pink blouse this time for the Netzach, and an orange for Yesod, because the nun is the pathway between Netzach and Yesod. And the Chirik goes with Netzach, so that's a double Netzach. And then I decided to wear the blue skirt with the oranges today because it is a Monday for me now, and it's the day of Gevurah, and I'm using the rainbow color that I use for Gevurah here, the blue, just to mix up things for you. Okay, so starting with a left foot moving forward for Keter, a nun, and then across to the right side for the Chirik. Knee. And Chachma, stepping forward right. And staying on the right. Knee. Bina on the left. Knee. Hesed on the right. Knee. Gevurah on the left. Knee. Sefirot on the right, and then crossing over. Knee. Netzach on the right. on the left. Knee. Yesod starting on the right. Moving to the left. Knee. And Malchut starting on the left, moving to the right. Knee. And then the receiving Malchut, letting myself receive Hashem's breath, inspiring me at every moment, and bringing that energy all the way from my crown to the soles of my feet into the earth. Knees slightly bent, just hanging on that string and being breathed. Present, grounded, centered. So may we be blessed in these times of challenges, many challenges, that we keep our center, that we know how to ground ourselves, calm ourselves, renew that sense of Hashem inspiring us at every moment, and also keeping us focused with a Netzach, that we're here for a purpose and a reason, that we are unique, each of us, individual manifestation of Hashem's energy. So may you have a beautiful week and blessings.